allow me go straight to the citation. In conformity with Article 142, Clause 1 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, you appointed 21 acting judges of the High Court. These judges, Your Excellency, are before you for swearing in.
I, Sarah Langasio, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Next, we have Honorable Lady
I
Justice.
have had...
Protect and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Rosemary Balebe-Ngabirano, solemnly swear that I will well and truly exercise the judicial functions entrusted to me. Your Excellency, next we have Honorable Lady Justice Mary Babirye.
Running a number of enterprises, President.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency.
I, Alum Lillian Omara, swear in the name of the mighty God.
Your Excellency, next.
And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
To the anthropology of Uganda.
I, Susan Odon Ogik, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will well and truly exercise the judicial functions entrusted to me.
You look like him, actually.
Yes.
Sit down.
So help me God.
Are you connected to Paulo?
Yes, Your Excellency.
With the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, as by law established and in accordance with the laws and usage of the Republic of Uganda.
Excellency, and congratulations, my Lord. Your Excellency. We also have Dr. Godfrey Seal, Senior, who will in turn invite the Honorable the Chief Justice to make his remarks.
The first word is Obuteka. Obuteka, I think, would be translated as calmness. How can you ensure that there is calmness in the country? Obuteka. That must be the aim of justice, to ensure that there is calmness, that nobody is angry because of injustice, of the force. They have a proverb, they say, "Enkubito ergo muibega." The strength of the blow depends on the muscles of the shoulder. So when we talk of the budget, the CJ commented on it correctly. The budget depended on the incubator, the strength of the economy. That's why we are able now to pay more people. It's not that we didn't want to pay them before. We didn't have the money. We didn't have the money. The economy was very small. Now the economy is bigger, but there is under collection of tax by the corrupt URA. I've been telling these young people, please, because we should be collecting much more. So I was telling those people in Kabale and Tunga, what do we do now? Should we have more mayors over poor people? Or should we have more money for these people who are converting from poverty to some economic activity? So therefore, the issue of inquisitor, the issue of relating the plans to the economy really, we shall be able to avoid the mistakes.
Decisions, and I hope in your speech you'll share with us what guides your decision-making process, because some of these decisions are very, very difficult. Judges make decisions based on the context of a particular period. And sometimes we are very unfair when we are judging people today on the basis of judgments that were made maybe 50 or 100 years ago. So we call upon the newly sworn-in judges to realize in whose interest they judge, and to know that ultimately they will also be subject to judgment. For instance,
and that is the type of justice we are now rooting in the judiciary and outside the judiciary. As we speak now, 90% of all the known or discernible disputes in this country are resolved outside the courts of law. Only 10 come to my courts of law. So what has stabilized this country, what has ferried this country forward, is actually not the justice we render in our courts of law, but the informal justice system based on our traditional justice system, which has carried this country on their shoulders. This is not peculiar to Uganda. In the United States, more than 95%, close to 98% of criminal justice processes are actually sorted out of court.